Joel Young.
Oh, you guys are here for me?
The 60-year-old sits in jail facing attempted murder charges for shooting 2 deputies. And newly released body cam footage shows how that all went down.
Shots fired, shots fired.
That evening in February starts with a neighbor's 911 call.
911.
My name is Haley. My neighbor, 2 houses, the stop sign, is out there shooting his 12 gauge just at the neighbors behind us.
Deputies Rathbun and Thompson
2772, I see it.
are first to respond.
Also to advise we're getting multiple calls on this.
By 4:26, Deputy Rathbun parks on Green Valley Drive roughly 10 minutes after that first 911 call. Deputy Thompson is just a few minutes behind him.
Have we talked to him yet?
No one's talked to him yet.
Okay, so that.
At 4:36, both deputies are discussing how to approach when they hear Young yelling.
Hey, sir.
Young taunts the deputies.
Sheriff's office, why don't you come out and talk to me with your hands empty?
Then at 4:42, Young fires the first shot. His 12 gauge loaded with pellets, Deputy Thompson is peppered across the face, nearly blinding him. As Thompson retreats, Rathbun fires back. That's how he too is hit.
Sunday, shots fired. I'm hit.
And on this day, their backup came in the form of a neighbor, Cody Dieter.
7-4 walking.
I drop an entire magazine at this guy.
Remarkably, Young is never hit.
Hey, give me the air. Shots fired. We have 2 officers hit in the head. I need aid, but we need replacements.
I'm losing vision in my left eye.
Rathbun and Thompson, now out of the garage, make a break for their SUV.
You can eliminate the fire hall. We're coming in with gunshot wounds.
Copy to meet at the fire hall.
We trained them to stay in the fight, and that's exactly what they did. They took care of each other.
It's 2 minutes after 6 o'clock, and this standoff comes to an end.
Get on your face.
Young surrenders and plays the part of a cooperative arrestee.
I'll go to jail. No problem. You don't have to drag me.
In court, Young argues he was drunk.
Okay. You can shoot me if you want.
Zach Anders, Fox 13 News.